What's going on, YouTube? How's all the beautiful people? Well, here we have a John Deere Z520A. Customer states the blades will not stay engaged. The electric over hydraulic deck height adjustment does not operate. Oh, and the charging, the batteries. Figure out why I'm going through batteries. Third battery in 2 months. Well, not charging, that's why. That is the root of all of the problems. Battery not charging causes the voltage to drop. The electric PTO clutch will not stay engaged and or will slip. The electric motor for the deck lift does not operate because it's not getting the juice that it needs. So, I have done some diagnostics. Wasn't even going to make a video out of this, but it's stretching out, so we might as well. I checked the output wires from the stator, and I'm getting 0 voltage. Supposed to get anywhere from 30 to 50 volts, wide open throttle on these 2 terminals, AC voltage now, and I get 0. So, leads me to believe that there is an issue under the flywheel. Sure, I started tearing it apart, got that bullshit off, and I have loosened the 2 coils. Now we're down to taking the flywheel off. So I'll set you up. I haven't decided if I'm just going to whack it with a hammer, use pry bar and whack it with a hammer or what, but let's get that bolt off of there and get that flywheel out of the way and see what we're dealing with. I have a feeling that the magnets have come loose. If that's the case, we will re-epoxy these magnets on and see if we fix it. I knew flywheels anywhere around $200 to $300, and that is not acceptable when I can just epoxy these magnets back on. So, let's check it out. Well, as you can see, we don't have an issue with the magnets having came off. So, let's get the stator loose. There's a chance I'll have to take some more stuff out of the way. But maybe just by taking it loose we can get an idea of what's going on. Ain't no sense in taking something apart if I don't have to. So. As you can see, looks like that seal's been oozing a little, huh? Oof. Well, that doesn't get us anywhere. But since I'm here, watch your eyeballs. Getting on you? Okay. Well, hell, let's do something different then. Let me get these 2 bolts out, and that'll remove that little strap right there. And maybe reveal the different secret. It'll look to be a 10 maybe. Oh yeah. I'm sure hoping to find the issue without having to do some major digging like this, but it is what it is. I got two more. I got one bolt here on the back side and that one. The particular test that I ran, oh, look at here. I don't know if that means anything, but that little piece is busted off. There's a chunk of it right there. There's another chunk of it. And another chunk of it. And another chunk of it. And another chunk of it. Huh. Unless I'm not real sure what I'm looking at here, but it kinda looks to me like right there, I don't know if you guys can see that, we've got a broken wire. Well, that's what it looks like to me. See, this piece here is kind of bumfungled, but I don't know if all of that is enough to render this thing useless, you know what I mean? I don't know. I'll have to do some more digging. Anyways, that's what I'm taking away from this, that we've got a busted wire right there. 'Cause I don't see that on any of the other ones. Something, I believe, something has hit this. I don't know if it was, you know, part of this falling apart that did the damage or what, but that is most definitely a busted wire. Anyways, I'm going to end the recording right here. This will be part 1 on the Kohler charging system. I will bring you back with any fresh findings, but I think what we're going to have to do is get a new stator. So, that's that. I'll bring you back if I find anything that contradicts that, but I do believe that's going to be our problem, is we just need a new stator. Anyways, thanks for joining in, you beautiful people, and we will catch you on the next one.